In this video, we review IG Markets Broker. Have you used IG Broker before? What was your experience? Leave your IG Markets Broker review in the comments section below. IG, a leading online brokerage firm, has gained prominence for offering a wide range of tradable assets and robust platform capabilities. Founded in 1974, IG has expanded to serve over 360,000 clients worldwide, offering access to over 18,000 financial instruments. With licenses across major global markets, including the UK, US, and EU, IG is renowned for its regulatory compliance and financial security measures, making it a trustworthy platform for both retail and professional investors. IG's platform stands out for its variety of investment options, including Forex, stocks, ETFs, bonds, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. With access to over 12,000 shares, 5,400 ETFs, and hundreds of Forex pairs, users can diversify their portfolios extensively. The broker's web-based and mobile trading platforms are celebrated for their user-friendly design, enabling seamless navigation for both beginners and experienced traders. Advanced users benefit from integration options such as MetaTrader 4 and Pro Real Time, along with customizable trading dashboards. However, IG is not without its drawbacks. While its offerings cater to diverse investor needs, the lack of MetaTrader 5 support and absence of copy trading features can be limiting for some traders. Additionally, while IG does not impose minimum deposit requirements in most regions, US-based clients must meet a $250 minimum, which might deter some newcomers. The broker's fees and spreads are competitive, but users have reported occasional dissatisfaction with Forex spreads under high market volatility. IG excels in regulatory compliance, safeguarding client funds through measures like FCA client money rules. This assurance of security is complemented by IG's transparent policies and its publicly traded status on the London Stock Exchange. Despite these strengths, IG's global availability has limitations. Residents of some countries, such as Nigeria and the Philippines, are unable to access its services due to regulatory restrictions. In summary, IG offers an impressive array of assets, reliable platforms, and strong regulatory backing, making it an appealing choice for a broad spectrum of traders. While the broker has minor limitations, such as regional availability and certain platform features, its overall offerings provide significant value to investors seeking a reputable and versatile trading experience.